Have you ever looked back at one of your first investing decisions and thought, if I knew then what I know now, I would have done things differently. So that's exactly how I feel when I think about my first options trade. Hi, everyone. I'm JD, and welcome back to JD's trading journey. If you're new here, I am a school teacher documenting my real journey learning options trading. I am not a professional trader or financial advisor. I am simply sharing my experiences, lesson learned, mistakes, and progress as I continue to grow. Today, I want to talk about my first options trade, and more importantly, what I did wrong. Because while the trade itself wasn't a disaster, I thought it taught me some valuable lessons that I think every beginner should know. So, before placing my first options trade, I spent weeks watching videos, reading articles, and trying to understand the basics. I learned about calls and puts. I learned about premiums. I learned about the strike price and the expiration dates. And eventually, I reached a point where I felt ready, or at least I thought I was ready. So, looking back now, I realized that understanding the definitions and truly understanding how options work are two very different things. One of the first mistakes I made was focusing too much on potential profits and not enough on risk. Like many beginners, I found myself thinking about how much money I could make if the trade went my way. I wasn't spending nearly enough time asking myself what would happen if the trade went against me. And that's a dangerous mindset because every trade carries risk. Another mistake I made was not having a complete plan before entering the trade. I knew why I wanted to enter, but I didn't clearly define when I would exit. I didn't have a specific profit target. I didn't have a specific loss limit. I simply entered the trade hoping things would work out. And hope is not a strategy. One thing I've learned since then is that every trade should have a plan before you click the buy or sell button. You should know your entry and you should also know your exit. And you should know your maximum risk. Another mistake I made was allowing emotions to influence my decisions. The moment real money was involved, everything felt different. Watching the value of the position move up and down was more uh, emotional than I expected. Even the small price movements suddenly felt important. I found myself checking the trade constantly, and instead of following a plan, I was reacting emotionally. That's when I learned that successful trading isn't just about understanding strategies, it is about managing yourself, managing fear, managing excitement, managing impatience. Another lesson I learned was the importance of position sizing. As beginners, it's easy to get excited and risk more than we should. Thankfully, my first trade was relatively small, but it taught me why keeping positions small while learning is so important. When the stakes are smaller, mistakes become lessons instead of disasters. And trust me, every beginner is going to make mistakes. That goal isn't to avoid every mistake. The goal is to survive long enough to learn from them. So looking back, my first options trade wasn't perfect. Far from it. But I'm actually, grateful for that experience because it taught me lessons that no book, no video could fully teach. It taught me that knowledge matters, planning matters, risk management matters, and most importantly, patience matters. Today, I still consider myself a student of the market. I'm still learning, I'm still improving, and I'm sure I'll continue making mistakes along the way. But every mistake is an opportunity to become a better trader. So, if you are about to place your first options trade, my advice is simple: start small, focus on learning, manage your risk, and don't worry about becoming an expert overnight. Trading is a journey, not a race. So, thank you for joining me on my journey. I love to hear about your first trading experience. What lesson did your first trade teach you? Leave a comment below. And if you'd like to continue following my journey as a school teacher learning options trading, make sure to subscribe. So until next time, let's continue to learn, trade, and grow together.